Hi, today I'm going to show you how I prepare the interactive map for the clinic. Alright, so first you need to prepare the data. So we have clinic name, the address, contact number, postal code and location too. Okay, so these are the data that we have, and once we have the data and we name this clinic list, identify the location, we can go to start here and launch Power BI desktop. Okay, now this is a free program, so you can use it, download, install and play with it. So let's wait for the Power BI to launch. Okay, here we go. Now we are in the Power BI desktop. Usually you can actually start navigating from here, but I'm going to start you from the main working area. So let me close off this pop-up here. Okay, first thing first is to list down the map. So this is the map report here. Click on it and you appear over here. Alright. You can do two ways. You can do the map here. Now the next thing we need to do is to get the data to fill up the map. So we can go to get data here. Our data is in Excel. So click on to Excel. Look for the list that I have created. Okay, clinic list here. Click open. File is in use, so I need to close it off. Okay, do you want to save? Just save it. Okay, let's come back here and let's try it again. Open. And you'll start to establish a connection. Depends on the size of the data, it may take a while. But once it's done, you should see it inside this field list on the right hand side here. Okay, navigator pop up first. In case there are many lists, so you need to choose where your data comes from. It is in sheet 1. Everything looks okay. Load the data. Okay, you'll just appear here and you say sheet 1. So all you need to do is first you need to put in the location 2 and put it into the location field in visualization. Place it in, let go. Okay, wait for a while and all the numbers are all consolidated in Singapore, so you see the Singapore map straight away, zoomed in with all the data. Okay, so let's expand the chart. Okay, once you have this, you can zoom in. You can use a mouse wheel to scroll in and look at the data. And you move on to one of the pop-up here and it shows you Singapore and the postal code. Now, I want to show the more details in each node. For example, the clinic name. So what I do here is I go to clinic name, drag and put into the tooltip and let go. So once I've done that, okay, it will resume and let's pop out to another one. No clinics in the reservoir. Okay, here. Then it shows up the clinic name. Now to make the information useful, we need to know the address as well as the contact number. So all we need to do is pull some more, the address, put it into the tooltip here, let go, and then contact number, put it into the tooltip here, and let go. Okay, so let me point on to one of these and you notice that the address and contact number will just pop up by itself. Okay, now one more thing to do, if you notice here, if I pop out here, you notice the contact number starts with 1. Now, that is actually not true. The reason why this happens is because contact number is a number, so they add up and looks like Clover could have more than one contact number. So what we need to do here is to click onto the drop down here and say instead of summing, we put in say minimum, maximum is fine. So click minimum Okay, so now if you pop back here into look for Clover, and you see the number will show up nicely. Okay, so once you have done this, you can just go to the data here, save. Okay, and let's say I call this a demo. Okay, once I save it, I can go back to here and go to home tab here, and we can publish this. Alright. Okay, I have a Power BI workspace here, so I just need to select. This is in Office 365, and just publish a demo to the Power BI desktop. Okay, once done, they'll give you the link, so you just need to click Open Demo BPIX on the web. Okay, sign into the account. Okay, log into your ID in Office 365. Okay. And there you go. And from here, you can actually go to File, and you can say Publish to Web. Okay, you can create embedded code. Okay, and then you do a publish. Now they'll give you this link that you can email to anybody, or you can put it into the website using the iframe. You can choose the size as well. So once you do that, everything is good to go. My name is Jason Koo. I'm from Everyday Excel Business Lab. This video is brought to you from our proprietary program, Making Sense of Business Data in Excel and Power BI.